So, I'll show you my step-by-step guide on how I make sure the basics I wear look elevated and how I style them using things I already own. First things first, have you ever felt like you have nothing to wear, even though your wardrobe is full? It's frustrating, isn't it? I'm here to tell you the solution is already in your closet. In this video, I'm sharing my favorite outfit ideas using pieces you already own. But here's the twist. They're not just basics. They're basics transformed. By the end of this video, you'll see how to make your everyday wardrobe feel fresh, chic, and sophisticated without spending a dime. V-neck sweater and pencil skirt. A sleek V-neck sweater paired with a knee-length pencil skirt is a timeless combination. It's elegant, minimal, and perfect for anything from the office to an evening out. Add heels or ankle boots to refine the look. Monochrome outfit. Choose one color and stick with it from head to toe. This creates a seamless, polished look. To add depth, mix textures, try a silk blouse with tailored trousers or a cashmere sweater with jeans. Matching set. A matching set always looks put together with zero effort. Whether it's a blazer and trousers or a jacket and skirt, it instantly feels cohesive. Dress it down with sneakers or elevate it with heels. See how each outfit tells a slightly different story? That's the beauty of basics. They can shift from soft to strong, relaxed to refined just by changing one element. Black pantsuit remix. The black pantsuit is a classic. For a casual twist, wear the blazer with jeans or the trousers with a basic white tee. Mixing these pieces keeps the look modern and versatile. Cropped jacket and mini skirt. If you're ready for a bit of fun, this combo is perfect. A cropped jacket with a mini skirt feels playful yet refined. Choose tweed or structured fabrics for an elevated vibe. Add loafers or ballet flats for charm. Button-down shirt with jeans. A crisp white button-down and straight leg jeans never fail. Add a black belt and tuck in the shirt for structure. Finish with ballet flats or loafers for timeless polish. Layered trench coat. Layer a trench over relaxed denim and a basic tee. It's casual yet elevated. A no-fail way to make simple pieces look expensive. So, I'll show you my step-by-step guide on how I make sure the basics I wear look elevated and how I style them using things I already own. First things first, I start my wardrobe around one piece I want to take center stage. I build everything from that single item. Of course, we can all start differently. Some begin with colors, others with a favorite body part or a specific style rule. But I like to keep things simple and start with one piece. It can be a top, a dress, shoes, or even an accessory. For example, I'll show you how I style a white t-shirt. First, I go on Pinterest for inspiration. I scroll through my main page, check what's trending, and look for colors, silhouettes, and small details that catch my eye. After that, I evaluate my wardrobe, the items I wear daily, the seasonal pieces, and of course, my favorites. Once I have everything laid out, I start combining. Here, I'm showing you a Canva board, but you can easily create your own Polyvore style boards without any special tools. As you can see, this is what I create. Sometimes the combinations don't work right away, but that's part of the process. With time and practice, you'll start to see how much your eye for styling evolves. When I'm building an outfit like this one with a simple white t-shirt, I don't overthink it. I start placing pieces that feel balanced. A tailored blazer, maybe jeans or a skirt, and then I play with proportions until it looks right. What I love about using Canva or any digital board is that it gives you perspective. You can instantly see if something feels too heavy, too plain, or too colorful. It's like dressing without the pressure. You get to test ideas before you actually wear them. Here, for example, I'm pairing the white tee with a gray combo and gold jewelry that instantly makes it look richer. Then I try it with a black blazer for a more polished Parisian mood. And the best part, once you start building these little mood boards, dressing becomes so much easier. You'll wake up, look at your board, and already know what feels stylish, put together, and uniquely you. Okay, let's continue with outfit ideas. Transform your maxi dress by pairing it with sneakers and a blazer. This mix of comfort and tailoring looks effortlessly stylish. Add gold or silver jewelry and a tote to finish. White tee, jeans, and trench coat. Upgrade the classic white tee and jeans with a trench coat and Chelsea boots. Simple, practical, and endlessly chic. Pair your jeans with a black blazer and a clean white tee. Add ankle boots and a pendant necklace for subtle elegance. Graphic tee with dress pants. Pair a graphic tee with tailored trousers for a cool mix of casual and polished. Add a blazer and loafers. This combo always looks modern. It's never about owning more. It's about combining what you already have in smarter ways. That's where real elegance starts. Oversized shirt and biker jacket. Style an oversized button down with leggings and a biker jacket. Add sneakers and a baseball cap for that off-duty model vibe. What makes this look work is the balance. Relaxed pieces on the bottom, structured layers on top. Straight jeans and ballet flats. Take your basic tee and jeans, then add ballet flats, a cropped jacket, chic sunglasses, and a structured bag. Simple yet feminine. Striped shirt and camel blazer. Pair a striped shirt with straight leg jeans and a camel blazer. Add minimal accessories and you're done. Timeless and elegant. Floral midi dress and denim jacket. Balanced, soft, and structured by layering a floral midi dress with a denim jacket. Add brown boots and a tote for a boho-inspired outfit that works all year. A white satin skirt with a ribbed turtleneck is casual yet chic. Add black ankle boots and a structured shoulder bag to complete the look. Cream turtleneck and mini skirt. Combine a cream turtleneck with a beige blazer and white mini skirt. Add burgundy knee-high boots and a convertible bag for a cozy, elevated outfit. When you put these ideas together, you start to notice pattern, color balance, proportions, small contrasts. Once you see them, you can't unsee them. A striped shirt paired with straight jeans always feels fresh yet timeless. Add heels and a metal link watch for a clean, modern finish. Effortlessly cool. Pair a black blazer with a black tee, classic jeans, white sneakers, and a cream bag. Add oversized sunglasses for that I didn't try, but still look chic vibe. Casual chic. Style a black blazer with a striped turtleneck, white sneakers, and a black tote bag. Relaxed yet polished, ideal for everyday errands or coffee with friends. You can never go wrong with a black blazer, white tee, blue jeans, and white sneakers. It's simple, timeless, and easy to repeat. Add a plaid blazer to wide beige pants, a burgundy top, and sneakers for a fresh, stylish look that feels current yet wearable. Try a brown blazer with beige trousers, a black turtleneck, and brown sneakers. Pair regular blue jeans with a light blue shirt, a navy blazer, and brown suede boots. Perfect for smart casual days. Combine a camel blazer with a black turtleneck, dark blue jeans, and black ankle boots. A fail-safe formula that always looks refined. Gray pants with a white tee and white sneakers. Effortless, modern, and comfortable. This is the outfit you'll wear on repeat. Sometimes a polished outfit isn't about impressing anyone. It's about how calm and confident you feel when everything just works. All of this comes from creativity, not shopping. It's proof that style isn't limited by budget, only by imagination. Combine a black turtleneck, plaid shirt, navy blazer, washed jeans, and white chunky sneakers. A casual, laid-back yet stylish layered look. Style a gray denim skirt with a white tee, heels, and a black blazer. Clean lines, a touch of edge, and totally elevated. Pair a light brown sweater with brown pants and sneakers. Add gold accessories for a refined monochrome look that feels quietly luxurious. Wear a navy blazer with dark jeans, a white sweatshirt, white sneakers, and a beige baseball cap. Cool, easygoing, and ideal for travel or weekends. Pair a plaid blazer with a gray sweater vest, a crisp white shirt, a brown skirt, and leopard print sneakers. A fun, unexpected twist that feels modern and chic. Cozy chic. Layer washed jeans with a brown sweater, a burgundy scarf, white sneakers, and a brown blazer. A warm, stylish outfit that's perfect for autumn. Fresh and fun. Team a green sweater with a white shirt, gray pants, and white sneakers. Relaxed yet polished, it's an easy weekday favorite. Keep it sharp with a white shirt, black trousers, a black blazer, and sneakers. Add a burgundy bag for a hint of color and personality. Pair a black pea coat with a gray sweater, black pants, white sneakers, and a white bag for a crisp, polished look. Layer a trench coat over a white long sleeve under a black sweater with blue jeans, black ankle boots, and a white bag. It's timeless, elegant, and perfect for transitional weather. Style a brown jacket with a white shirt, gray jeans, black ankle boots, and a brown mini bag. Relaxed, stylish, and grounded in neutral tones. Try a camel jacket over a white shirt and knitted vest with black trousers and pumps. Add a black belt and gray bag. It's effortlessly sophisticated. Layer a black leather jacket over a gray sweater and a white shirt paired with blue jeans and black ankle boots. Always a winning formula. An aviator jacket with a burgundy top, black trousers, a black bag, and burgundy sneakers creates a coordinated, edgy look that stands out. Pair an oversized gray blazer with a white tee, blue jeans, gray sneakers, and a gray baseball cap. Casual yet refined, a confident minimalist look. A black blazer with a black tee, navy jeans, white sneakers, and a black tote bag feels practical and elegant. Gold earrings and a quilted vest add warmth and style. Blue jeans, a white shirt, beige jacket, and a beige bag, all tied together with gold jewelry. Blue jeans, white shirt, gray jacket, brown bag, and a printed scarf, the perfect mix of casual and personality. White jeans with a black turtleneck, black jacket, and brown bag. Add white sneakers and sunglasses for a cool, minimalist look. Gray jeans, a white shirt, gray jacket, and maroon sneakers finished with vintage sunglasses. Simple, unique, and modern. Gray jeans, a white sweater, white sneakers, and an off-white bomber jacket. Minimal yet full of texture and freshness. A gray denim skirt, white tee, sleek heels, and a black blazer. Simple, timeless, and perfectly balanced. At the end of the day, great style has never been about having more clothes. It's about seeing what you already have in a new way. You don't need a bigger wardrobe, you need better combinations. When your pieces work together, you suddenly unlock dozens of new outfits without buying a thing. It's not about chasing trends, it's about curating a system that feels effortless, where every top, skirt, or jacket can blend with the others and tell the same story. Because style isn't just what you wear, it's how you build it. If every piece in your wardrobe connects, dressing becomes simple, enjoyable, and calm. You stop wasting time wondering what to wear and instead start enjoying the process. Mixing, layering, and finding new versions of yourself through the same familiar clothes. That's when your basics stop looking cheap and start looking intentional. And that's where real elegance begins. Not in quantity, not in price, but in clarity. Clarity of color, proportion, and confidence. When you master that, even the simplest white t-shirt or pair of jeans becomes your signature. Because style at its best isn't about standing out, it's about feeling aligned. When your clothes match your rhythm, your lifestyle, and your personality, everything starts to make sense. You stop comparing, stop searching, and start refining. Slowly, intentionally, beautifully. Add a quality belt to define your shape, a structured blazer that instantly sharpens any outfit, a well-made bag that completes every look, a classic white shirt that can move from day to evening, a beautifully cut turtleneck that layers with everything, a soft knitted sweater dress that feels elegant even on lazy days. These are not seasonal pieces, they're long-term partners. They mix, they repeat, they evolve with you. If you choose them wisely and care for them, they'll serve you for years. Proof that when the foundation is strong, your style never expires. That's when your wardrobe becomes more than fabric. It becomes a reflection of how well you know yourself. So before you buy more, pause. Look at what you already have. Then add only what makes it stronger. That's how you build a wardrobe that's timeless and completely your own. Need outfit inspiration? Click on one. One's about bags that instantly upgrade any look, the other's pure French trench coat magic.